Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on insurance for technology companies. In this video, we'll be discussing why insurance is important for technology companies, the types of insurance that are available, and some best practices for selecting and managing insurance policies. Why insurance is important for technology companies. Technology companies face a unique set of risks that can be mitigated by insurance. These risks include data breaches, cyber attacks, intellectual property disputes, and product liability. Without insurance, technology companies may be vulnerable to costly lawsuits, damage to reputation, and financial losses. Types of insurance for technology companies. Cyber liability insurance. This type of insurance covers losses arising from cyber attacks, data breaches, and other cyber-related incidents. It can cover expenses such as legal fees, data recovery costs, and public relations expenses. Professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions (E&O) insurance. This type of insurance covers claims made against your company for professional negligence, errors, and omissions. It can protect your company from financial losses due to claims made by customers or clients. General liability insurance. This type of insurance covers third-party claims of bodily injury, property damage, and personal injury. It can protect your company from financial losses due to lawsuits filed by customers, vendors, or other third parties. Product liability insurance. This type of insurance covers claims made against your company for defects or injuries caused by your products. It can protect your company from financial losses due to product liability lawsuits. Best practices for selecting and managing insurance policies. Identify the risks. Before selecting an insurance policy, it's important to identify the specific risks that your company faces. This will help you determine which types of insurance policies are necessary. Work with an experienced insurance broker. An experienced insurance broker can help you understand the different types of insurance policies and select the ones that are most appropriate for your company's needs. Read and understand the policy. It's important to read and understand the policy before signing it. Make sure you understand the coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions. Review and update policies annually. As your company grows and changes, your insurance needs may also change. It's important to review and update your insurance policies annually to make sure you have adequate coverage. Train employees on risk management. Your employees play an important role in mitigating risks and preventing losses. It's important to train them on risk management best practices and make sure they understand the company's insurance policies. Cyber liability insurance. Cyber liability insurance is a type of insurance that is specifically designed to protect companies from losses related to cyber threats. This can include losses due to data breaches, cyber attacks, and other cyber-related incidents. Cyber liability insurance can cover a variety of expenses, such as legal fees, data recovery costs, and public relations expenses. Professional liability insurance. Professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions (E&O) insurance, is designed to protect companies from claims of professional negligence, errors, and omissions. This type of insurance can be particularly important for technology companies that provide services such as software development, IT consulting, or cybersecurity services. Product liability insurance. Product liability insurance is designed to protect companies from claims related to defects or injuries caused by their products. This type of insurance can be particularly important for technology companies that develop and sell products such as software, hardware, or other technology products. Working with an insurance broker. When selecting insurance policies, it can be helpful to work with an insurance broker who has experience working with technology companies. An experienced broker can help you understand the different types of insurance policies that are available and can help you select the policies that are most appropriate for your company's needs. They can also negotiate with insurers on your behalf to help you get the best coverage at the most competitive rates. Updating insurance policies. It's important to review and update your insurance policies annually to make sure they still meet your company's needs. As your company grows and changes, your insurance needs may also change. For example, if you launch a new product or service, you may need to update your product liability insurance policy. Similarly, if your company experiences a data breach, you may need to update your cyber liability insurance policy. Employee training. Your employees play an important role in mitigating risks and preventing losses. It's important to train them on risk management best practices and make sure they understand the company's insurance policies. For example, you may want to train employees on how to identify and report potential cyber threats, or on how to handle customer complaints related to product defects. Intellectual property insurance. Intellectual property insurance can help protect technology companies from the financial losses associated with intellectual property disputes, such as patent infringement or copyright infringement. This type of insurance can cover legal fees, damages, and other costs associated with intellectual property litigation. General liability insurance. General liability insurance is a foundational insurance policy that covers third-party claims of bodily injury, property damage, and personal injury. For technology companies, this type of insurance can cover claims related to accidents that occur on your premises, such as slip and fall accidents, or damage to a client's property caused by your employees. When selecting a general liability insurance policy, it's important to carefully review the coverage limits and exclusions. You'll want to make sure the policy provides adequate coverage for your company's specific risks and that the policy terms are in line with your budget. Umbrella liability insurance. Umbrella liability insurance is an additional layer of liability coverage that can help protect your company from catastrophic losses. This type of insurance can provide coverage above and beyond the limits of your primary liability insurance policies, such as general liability, cyber liability, and product liability insurance. Umbrella liability insurance can be particularly important for technology companies that face high-risk claims that could exceed the coverage limits of their primary insurance policies. Business interruption insurance. Business interruption insurance can help protect your company from financial losses due to unexpected interruptions to your business operations. This type of insurance can provide coverage for lost income, temporary relocation expenses, and other expenses that are incurred as a result of a covered event, such as a fire, flood, or other natural disaster. For technology companies that rely heavily on their computer systems and other technology infrastructure, business interruption insurance can be particularly important. Employment practices liability insurance. Employment practices liability insurance, EPLI, is a type of insurance that can protect your company from claims made by employees related to employment practices, such as wrongful termination, discrimination, or harassment. For technology companies, EPLI can be particularly important given the competitive nature of the industry and the potential for disputes related to intellectual property and non-compete agreements. Directors and Officers Liability Insurance. Directors and Officers Liability Insurance, D&O, is a type of insurance that can protect your company's directors and officers from claims made against them related to their duties and responsibilities to the company. This can include claims related to alleged breaches of fiduciary duty, mismanagement, or other wrongful acts. For technology companies, D&O insurance can be particularly important given the potential for high-stakes disputes related to intellectual property and corporate governance. Risk management. In addition to insurance, implementing a comprehensive risk management program can also help protect your technology company from losses and liabilities. This can include measures such as regular vulnerability assessments, employee training on cybersecurity and data protection, and disaster recovery planning. By prioritizing risk management, you can help prevent losses and minimize the impact of unexpected events on your company's operations and finances. Claims management. In the event that your company does experience a loss or liability, having a strong claims management process in place can help ensure that you receive the full benefits of your insurance policies. This can include working closely with your insurance broker and carrier to ensure that all necessary documentation is submitted and that claims are properly processed and resolved in a timely manner. Conclusion. In conclusion, insurance is a critical component of risk management for technology companies. It can protect your company from financial losses due to cyber attacks, data breaches, intellectual property disputes, and product liability lawsuits. By following best practices for selecting and managing insurance policies, you can ensure that your company is adequately protected and prepared for any unexpected events. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.